Hi everybody and welcome. Today we're about to be discussing how to customize Shopify collection sorting options. So this is pretty easy. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So what do we need to do is, first of all, we are going to be heading over to our products, and you can see we have collections in here. So since you want Shopify collection sorting options, so basically we have our filters in here if you want to sort that using a smart or manual option, or if you're looking for something advanced, you can create your collections using integrations as well. So head over to collections, and once you are there, head over to Shopify App Store, and here you can see we have different collection organization systems that we can use. So make sure to give a try to these, and these will be more than enough. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.